Friday, June 20th, 2025. Focus. If I must boast, I will boast of the things that show my weaknesses. Psychology offers many interventions to handle emotional and mental problems. Positive psychology focuses on a person's strength to compensate for weakness. Other types of psychotherapy directly target the problem. Today's focus is an excellent intervention to address our frailties, relying entirely on God's power rather than our own strength to accept and overcome weaknesses. For years, I struggled with stage fright. I used to avoid situations that would expose my fear. One day, the words in the focus struck me. Now, I am gradually learning to deal with my limitation. I just focus on what I am doing on stage. Even if I shake or fumble and leave the rest to God. Do we not try and hide our imperfections, worried that our image will be tarnished? The same is true of our spiritual lives. Today's readings encourages us to trust the Lord even as we take steps to address any weaknesses that keep us from having a treasury of riches in heaven. Jesus gives us the grace to deal with our problems. Having a deep personal relationship with Him by spending time with Him in prayer can help us and transform us into His sincere followers with genuine concern for our brothers and sisters. Fruit. Has Jesus touched my life? I will share this with others. Is there any area that needs healing? I will surrender it to Him.